channel. It's your girl Akila, also known as Keela Amazing, and today I'm coming at y'all with a haul. So this haul is being brought to you by Temu. Look, we got 3 big old boxes, okay? Like, we get into it today. But they were kind enough to send me some of their goodies, some of their home decor goodies, and I'm really excited because I'm going to be giving my room like a spring, summer makeover refresh, because this has really become like my sanctuary, my place to just do me, and the vibes and the aesthetics just have to, you know, they just have to be there. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I picked up. If you guys are not familiar with Temu, they're an online marketplace that literally has any and everything. I'm talking clothing, electronics, home decor, accessories, beauty, anything you could think of, Temu has. And I know you guys have heard the hype surrounding this company, so I'm really excited to see if it lives up to its hype. They even had a Super Bowl commercial, so I'm trying to see what they're talking about. I'm trying to see what they're hitting for. Like, I'm trying to see what's good. But Temu is an online marketplace that offers competitive pricing on their products. Their products are high quality, they're affordable. They even offer free shipping and free returns for 90 days, and they accept all types of payments: Visa, MasterCard, Klarna, Afterpay, whatever you need to do that. I'm gonna link everything that I mentioned in this video down below in the description box, and you guys can use this code right here for 30% off your order. But we're gonna go ahead and hop right on into it, and we're gonna check out what I picked up. First things first, this is what my desk is looking like before we are going to transform this entire thing. So I'm first starting off by clearing it off so I can give it a good wipe down, and we definitely need to organize some of this stuff. So I picked up these 2 little cube bins. I figured that since I'm working with a small desk area, this would be a great way to save some space and to reduce my clutter. So right now I'm just organizing my electronics, and inside these little bins I'm just throwing some of the things that are kind of like unorganized. So I'm putting like my sewing stuff in there and my pens and pencils, things like that. One of my favorite finds from this entire haul is this LED crystal lamp. So this came with a USB-C charger to charge it, and the charge lasts forever, and it's wireless, so all you do is tap it and it changes colors. Like, it's so dope. It even has this fade effect that is just so cool. Oh my gosh, I love this thing. Next, we have this LED projector alarm clock. Y'all, this thing is so cool. I've not had an alarm clock in so long, but I could not pass this up. It has multiple settings, including temperature, and I really like how this is mirrored. Like, it just gives it like a cool, unique look. But of course, it does have an alarm clock mode, and it even has a projector that projects the time onto the ceiling, which looks so dope against my Galaxy lights. This one is super cute. It came in this little astronaut shape, and it has a star. It's so adorable. The head pops off and you can adjust it any way you want. It's powered with a USB, so I connected it to the back of my TV, and I love this thing. Like, I just love the fact that you can rotate it in so many ways. And just look at all these pretty colors and how they mix together. You got your reds, your greens, your blues, your purples, and this is it with my other Galaxy light. Such a vibe. I have been loving LED lights lately. They just transform a room so much. So I picked up this strip light. It measures at about 16.4 inches, and I just added these to the back of this cubicle shelf to add a little razzle dazzle, give my room a little bit more glow. This looks amazing in the background of my videos. I just feel like these just completely transform this cubicle shelf. So I decided that my room needed a little bit more greenery, so I picked up about 24 of these vine leaves and attached them to my wall. I attached some in the corner right above the entryway door, and I did this using a combination of tape and thumbtacks. The thumbtacks definitely are more sturdy. I absolutely love the way that this came out. But once I was done, I added this super pretty fringe moon shape dream catcher, because this wall is pretty plain, but I did want to add something to give it a little bit more oomph, a little personality, and this is just so cute. I actually want to go back and get the star-shaped one as well. But this is how the greenery came out. I added some to my mirror as well, and also to the wall above my desk. And we also have this mushroom LED light, and I added that right on top of the greenery. It is USB powered, and it came with a hook so that you don't damage your wall. This is what it looks like, y'all. This thing illuminates the entire room. So cool. I love this thing. I'm actually gonna give this one to my nephew because I'm going for more of a galaxy theme. So I did decide to go with this planet light instead, which can also be found on Temu. Y'all, they have so many of these neon light options. I was so in need of some additional storage next to my desk, so I picked up this 6-tier storage unit. And this thing is great if you're looking for somewhere to store your office supplies, your business supplies, anything like that. One of my new favorite adult hobbies is video games. So here I'm storing all of my video games, my Switch games, my Xbox 360 games, and the one DVD in my collection, which is Spice World starring the Spice Girls, a cult classic. And I'm also just adding some of my vinyls, including the Renaissance album, still brand new. I'm gonna open it soon. This storage unit did come with wheels so you can move it, and I just really like the way that this looks and also the functionality of it. I love storage solutions that allow me to utilize as much space as possible. So I also picked up this over-the-door organizer, and I put this on the back of my bathroom door so I can utilize as much space as I possibly can underneath my sink. So I added my hot tools to the bottom, some skincare, some hair care, and my robes at the top. And this is just a great way to organize and to declutter. So next is this window cleaner. I have never seen anything like this, y'all. This thing is so unique. It comes with a bottle attached to the bottom of it that you can unscrew and add your window cleaner to. Like, how convenient is that? I also love the fact that I don't have to waste paper towels to clean at my mirrors. This is such a cool concept, and it was super affordable. I want to say that this was only a few bucks. So you literally just spray your mirror and then use a squeegee to clean your mirror. And it also has a backside with more of like a sponge like material to soak up all the excess product and the lint and stuff like that. And lastly, I finally hopped on the mini fridge train, mainly to store my skincare. But one of my favorite features on this mini fridge is the fact that it has an LED mirror on the front with 3 different light settings. This fridge comes in 2 different sizes, 8 liters and 4 liters. This is actually the 4-liter size, and it fits all of my skincare products perfectly. And in here I plan to keep my face masks, my serums, my eye patches, my moisturizers, even my tools. If you wanted to, you could also store your canned beverages in here. And it also has a warm setting, so you can even place some towels in there for a spa-like experience while you're doing your skincare. I would 10 out of 10 recommend. But that is it, y'all. I am loving everything that I picked up from Temu. Like I said, everything will be linked down below in the description box. And I love how my office came out. I actually plan on doing a full room tour, as well as me showing the progress of transforming this room from start to finish. So y'all stay tuned for that. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one.